Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for a way to turn your passion for art, humor, or niche interests into a profitable business venture? Or maybe you're just a creative soul seeking a side hustle that can bring some extra cash without ever worrying about inventory or upfront costs. Intrigued? I bet you are. What if I told you that you could learn the secrets to uncovering not just one, not two, but 5 niche markets that could potentially fill your pockets with cold, hard cash? Yup. Whether you're an experienced entrepreneur looking to expand your portfolio or just someone with a burning desire to succeed through a side hustle, this is your golden ticket to financial freedom. So join us as we provide valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you succeed in the competitive world of print on demand. In the vast and ever-evolving landscape of e-commerce, print on demand stands out as a beacon of opportunity for budding entrepreneurs and creative minds alike. Imagine having the power to turn your innovative ideas into tangible products with minimal upfront costs and maximum potential for profit. That's the beauty of print on demand, a business model that has revolutionized the way we think about selling merchandise online. But with so many options out there, how do you know which ones will really make you big bucks? Well, let's get into it right away. Starting with the first niche on our list, let's dive into the world of professions and graduation. Imagine every year, 4 times a year, there's a prime opportunity to sell t-shirts or any product related to professions and graduation. The biggest rush comes in May when the spring semester ends, and graduates are on the lookout for special gifts. This is where your profession-themed shirts can shine. Whether it's a teacher, nurse, or any other profession, there's a market waiting for personalized gifts. But it's not just about graduation. There are other events like Teacher Appreciation Week and retirement parties where your designs can make a mark. Let's zoom in on teachers for a moment. Not only can you target those who are graduating and starting their careers, but also those who are already in the field. Think about the different times of the year when teachers might want special shirts, like the end of exams or the last day of school. And it's not just teachers. Nurses are a huge niche too. With nursing graduates and appreciation weeks, there are plenty of opportunities to sell personalized gifts. But wait, here's a tip. Cross-niche ideas can be powerful. Think about combining professions with events like Black History Month or holidays. It's all about finding those unique angles to stand out in the market. Moving on, we have humor and internet memes as the second niche on our list. Now this one's all about bringing smiles to people's faces through funny slogans, graphics, and images printed on t-shirts, posters, mugs, or anything at all for that matter. Memes cover a huge range of topics from cute animals to current events, meaning there's something for everyone. The trick here is to keep an eye on what's trending on social media. When you spot a meme blowing up, that's your cue to get creative and turn it into a design for your products. But hey, watch out for copyright infringement. You don't want to get into trouble. Keep your designs light and fun too, instead of picking on others. Sure, there's a lot of competition in this niche, but don't let that scare you. Laughter is endless, and new memes pop up all the time. So if you hit the right joke at the right moment, you could have a bestseller in your hands in no time. Just remember to keep it fun, safe, and legal. The third niche on our list is all about politics. Politics is an evergreen niche, especially now that the election season is around the corner. People love to express their political views through their clothing, so you've got plenty of time to sell political-themed shirts and gear, and it's only going to get busier as we get closer to the big day. But before you get started, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, be wary of copyright issues. You can't just slap a picture of a politician on a shirt without their consent. Second, avoid using trademarked phrases, as this can lead to legal troubles. You can check the website called uspto.gov to make sure you're in the clear. Now here's the interesting part. Trump-themed shirts seem to be a hit, whether they're for or against him, but you don't have to stick with just one side. People also like shirts with messages about voting because it's a big deal and makes them feel good about being part of a democracy. You could get creative and offer personalized I voted shirts with the buyer's photo on them, or let them pick their favorite candidate. And remember, humor sells, especially in politics. Funny shirts make great gifts for dads or anyone who's into politics. Oh, and a cool tip. It's important to remember that being unique is crucial to success in this niche. Take a look at what's selling well and try to put your own spin on it. This will help you stand out from the competition. Next up on the list is craft beer. Now, this isn't just about drinking beer, it's about making money too. When we look at the stats, we see a cool trend when spring hits. As the weather warms up and people head outside, there's a big spike in beer-related stuff like shirts. So if you're into designing and want to cash in, this could be your ticket. But hold on, when you're making beer shirts, you've got to be careful. You can't just slap any beer logo on a shirt and call it a day. That's a big no-no. But funny designs? Oh yeah, those are always a big hit. Plus, think about it. Father's Day is around the corner. Beer-themed shirts make awesome gifts for dads. When you're setting up your shop and writing those fancy SEO bits, remember to mention the dad angle. People are searching for gifts, so make sure they find you. Put stuff like gift for dad in your titles and tags. It's like putting up a sign saying, "Hey, come get your awesome beer shirt here, perfect for pops." So if you're into designing quirky and fun shirts that scream springtime vibes and dad's favorite brew, craft beer shirts are definitely worth adding to your lineup. Cheers to that. Now lastly, we have the animal and pet niche. Just take a quick look around you. You probably know a bunch of people who own pets, right? Well, it turns out that folks love spending money on their furry buddies. In 2021, the pet care market in the US alone hit a whopping $150.67 billion. And guess what? That number's only going up, with a predicted growth rate of 5.1% by 2030. So why the spending spree? Well, seems like more and more people treat their pets like family. And with smaller households these days, there's even more cash to splash on our furry pals and the stuff that shows how much we love them. Now, if you're thinking about starting a business, pets are where it's at. In the US, there are over 65 million households with dogs and about 46 million with cats. That's a whole bunch of potential customers right there. And here's the fun part. It's not just about pet toys and treats. People go crazy for anything pet-related, like funny clothes, cool art, or even pictures of pets edited onto famous paintings. Ever heard of the Meowna Lisa? It's a thing. With a cool idea and some hustle, anyone can make it big. So, if you've got a passion for pets and a clever idea, why not give it a shot? Who knows, you might just hit the jackpot. Now, which niche caught your eye the most? And will you be trying it out? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content like this. See you next time.